LG Watch Timepiece is reportedly a new hybrid smartwatch. If a new report is to be believed, LG is soon going to launch a new wearable device. The company has reportedly developed a hybrid smartwatch called the LG Watch Timepiece, which it's going to announce as early as next week. No images of the device have been leaked online, though, so it's unclear right now what it looks like. The report claims that the LG Watch Timepiece will have a 1.2-inch circular LCD panel with analog watch hands on top. This implementation would allow for some new use cases which users will be able to take advantage of. For instance, the watch face could be used as a compass with the analog watch hands moving over the LCD display to replicate a compass. It may also function the same way for a barometer. However, one would expect that this implementation would make it difficult to use conventional Wear OS apps since the analog hands would obstruct the view. So even if this is being done to set the LG Watch Timepiece apart from the competition, it remains to be seen if it wins over any fans because of its unorthodox design. The LG Watch Timepiece will reportedly be IP68 certified for water and dust resistance as well as be compatible with changeable watch bands. It will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 2100 processor with 768 MB of RAM and 4 GB of storage. No word as yet on how much it's going to cost.